Okay, let's see. So we got our mower. It's seen better days, but hey, it works, it works. Let's go ahead and install it. Let's go grab our screws. Now let's check some gas. There's some gas in there. Yeah, could be cleaner, but not terrible. We'll probably replace that. Let's go and see if we have some parts. Nah, we're fresh out of that. But you know what? It should start perfectly fine without it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to grab our starting fluid and see if it starts with that.